And a very warm welcome to our expert guest, Mr. Ahmed Raja Rasufi and Ms. Rajia Gilani. Sir, welcome to the show. Madam, welcome to the show.
Hi, Mr. Fana. Thank you.
And it's such a great pleasure and honor to have you back here and sharing your insights. So straight up,
Thank you.
we would like to seek your inputs onto the key issues. And the first key issues where we invite your expert opinion is that the crude oil prices got some support with when as Russia announced 500,000 barrels production cut from March. So, do you see this production cut as being sufficient to support prices in the near term?
Um, Good afternoon, Mr. Pranav. Well, see, we can assume two scenarios about this question. The first one is, unlike the Russia's opinion, the sanctions and the price cap might have been successful, and Russia was forced to reduce the production to neutralize the effect of the, as Russia is looking for the new market. Also, we see in this scenario that maybe it's not improbable that the price cap have affection on the Russia production. And we observed that in the latest conference of the Rex Fuels that Russian companies also is attending for the first time, that it has a meaning that they are trying to expand their business and they are trying to expand their market. This means that they lose their old markets. The second one is that the plan of the reduction for 500,000 barrels per day means that they want to make a new pressure on the Europe and the USA. However, the policy for not exporting the gas to Europe was not successful in this winter. And we see that the pressure on the winter on the Europe it's not workable. It's not working. And also we heard some news from the IMF that we can observe the economic improvement in 2023, although that they had estimated the recession in their previous predictions. In this case, this means that Russia will be the main loser for all of these events, and also at the end of the 1 year war with the Ukraine. So, considering these two scenarios, I can say that the reducing plan of production can lead an increase of the price, but at this time we didn't see any significant increase happen on the oil price after the announcement of the reduction of Russia. But maybe it will be effect and also have an increase on the crude oil price from the March.
Thanks, and very well put together, Mr. Ahmed. I really agree with you here in terms of the relation to the price cap, embargo, and the recession fears, everything. So all this needs to be seen largely in that light. And as you mentioned, it really did not increase the prices to anywhere the extent which markets might have expected to. And if you permit, if I can bring another observation to this, the kind of unexpected increase in the OSP announced by Saudi and the timing of it actually coinciding with the Russian production cut announcement could possibly be, part of a joint strategy, so to say, between Saudi and Russia to make the markets move in the direction they would wish to support the prices.
Maybe you're right.
The timing was pretty interesting, both of them together. So let's see. Let's wait and watch. Thank you. And now we come to Ms. Rajia. We have seen that the fuel oil and gas oil prices are getting support in line with the higher crude oil prices. Do you see any immediate uptrend in the bitumen prices?
Well, Mr. Arnold, I have to say that during the last week, Singapore's fuel increased around $40, and yesterday, 13th February, we observed a slight increase around $1 too. In Iran, the competition among the refineries to purchase vacuum bottom is still going on seriously. And I heard that India is planning to increase bitumen price on 15 February around 4 to 5 US dollar also. In Singapore and South Korea, we observed the upward of prices, and Singapore price was around 510, and South Korea around 440. Actually, we still believe that February can be a promising month for the export of bitumen comparing to January. And the crude and fuel can be good supports for the increase of prices if we do not come up with any unexpected incidents.
Thank you. So things are looking more positive for the markets now.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you. And really appreciate your time and sharing your valuable insights. So with that, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Pranav.